What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by for this video. I am so super excited for this video because this is the first video of my annual fall autumn clean and decorate with me series. I do these videos every year, and every year I get a little bit more excited to share with you guys how we are decorating our home for the upcoming season. So I'm sure by now you guys know the gist of this, so let's just jump right in, light our fall autumn candles, and get started decorating for this beautiful season. Alright, so the living room is finished. It is nice and decorated, super cozy. I love how it turned out. Tomorrow I will be sharing with you guys how I decorated our kitchen, and then the following day will be our dining room, and then the following day after that will be the family room. So I hope that you guys return back to my channel and join me for those 3 following videos, and then I think I will be doing a decorate with me video for the outside as well. I have so many fall, autumn related videos to come on my channel, so please make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And if you could please give this video a big thumbs up, I would really appreciate that as well. I hope this video helped inspire you to bring out your fall decor and just celebrate the season of autumn. This season is just filled with so much beauty. If you guys would like to see a more detailed, updated home tour, just where I share with you guys in detail where all of this stuff was purchased from, let me know in the comment section below, and I would be happy to film an updated home tour for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Until then, take care.